Okay, so this is Unit 3, Lesson 1. We're going to talk about the circumference, radius, and diameter. And by the end of the video, you should be able to describe characteristics that make the shape of a circle and also be able to identify the center, diameter, radius, and circumference of a circle. All right, so over here on the right, we have two different shapes. One of them is a circle and one of them is not. Our definition of a circle is a set of points that are equal distance from the center of an enclosed circular region. Now, what that means is when I create a circle, there's always going to be a center. There's a center point. And from the center to the outside, I create a little dot. And every line, every point around the circle, doesn't matter where it is always going to be the same distance from the center. So this here is my circle. This is a shape that we would call an oval. It is not a center, or it is not a circle. From the center, if I go from here to here, I have this distance. However, the distance all the way up to this point is much longer, so this is not a circle. Now, in that last slide, I drew this line. I drew a line from the center out to the outside of the circle, to a point on the outside of the circle. That distance is what we call the radius. Now, the distance from one end through the middle to the other side is what we call the diameter. Now, the diameter and the radius have a special relationship. The diameter is equal to 2 times the radius, because it takes 2 radii to make a diameter. If you look at this from the center point to the outside, that's 1 radius, and from the center point to the other side is another radius. So 2 radii create the diameter, or is the length of a diameter. Now the radius is half of the diameter. So if I know one of these lengths, I should be able to find the other one. For example, if the diameter is 12 centimeters, so if this distance is 12 centimeters, then the radius is just going to be half of that. I would do 12 times a half, or 12 divided by 2, and my radius would be 6 centimeters. Now, if I'm told that the radius, let's say this piece here, for a different type of problem, if this distance is 10 centimeters, therefore my diameter has to be double that, because 2 radii equal the length of a diameter. So if the radius is 10 centimeters, then the diameter is 20 centimeters. Now the last thing I'm going to do is just cover our vocabulary again. So here I have a circle. The middle of the circle we call the center. From the center to the outside, I call my radius. A line that goes through the center from one point to the other is my diameter. And then finally, the outside, the distance all the way around the outside of a circle, kind of like our perimeter, we call the circumference. So this is what you guys should know for this first lesson.